Hey there, in this video you will learn how to earn up to $140 a day, and this strategy is relatively new and it has very low competition, so you should take the advantage of that and start implementing the method that I am saying. It's only going to get difficult with more competition. And the best part is you don't have to work yourself, right? So it's really good, right? So don't skip any part of the video, as I will be sharing step-by-step methods, what you need to do and what websites or tools you require to make this method work, right? Also, this is my YouTube channel as you know it, and I make videos very frequently, and here are some of my videos on how to make money online, as well as money mindset to keep you on track on how an online business works if you're into that, or if you just want to make some money online, then you can watch any of these money making strategy videos and learn how to do so. Alright, so let's get on to the website that I was talking about. So this is the first website. Alright, so let's just focus on the website, right? So the first website that I'm talking about is People Per Hour, and this website is for freelancers, right? As you can see over here, and yeah, so this is trusted by thousands of businesses globally, and as you can see over the figures and the businesses. Now let's get to the point, right? So what you're going to be doing over here is that you're going to be providing service, and for this type, so type resume on over here, right? And over here you can see there are various gigs which offer you to rewrite your resume in 72 hours or like that, or write your resume. And you can see what they are charging. They are charging $95. That's a lot of money. And look over here, they sold 612 of them. So let's get out a calculator. So 612 into 95, $58,000. That's a lot of money, right? Look over here, 400, and he sold 33, right? So look over here, right? So there is endless possibility. He sold 612, right? So 400, let's have a look at it. 400, that's about $13,000 for just 33 of these projects, right? So that's really amazing. Now as you can see, they are making a lot of money, but what you will be doing is that you will be reusing this. So what you're going to do is that you're going to list your service, that you're going to make a CV, and you're going to be charging, let's say, $95, and then getting it done for like say $20. So you'll pocket the difference, right? So the best place that I know that you can get it for very cheap is Fiverr, right? So Fiverr is a website. You guys might already know about this website, and it's very popular website. And what you're going to do is type resume over here, right? And as you can see that there are lots of resume, but what you're going to see sort by is best selling, because the best selling ones are the ones that bringing in the revenue, right? So you need to see that which are the gigs that people like the most, and have a look at which ones are good, right? So all these are in Indian currency, but don't worry about that, right? So look over here, 379. So 379 is $5. He sold this beautiful looking resumes for $5 each, and has over 1,000 reviews, right? And that's over $5,000, and he's giving such beautiful resumes for so very cheap, right? And there is the opportunity to capitalize over here. You can hire this guy, right, to do the resume. See, editable file, 379, that's $5, $10, and round about $20, right? $25. So this is a good place to start, right? And you can get the resume. Now I will be obviously showing you the method on how to get the clients, right? And so that you can actually make these sales, right? And actually get them to visit your gig, right? So you don't have to worry about this, right? So yeah, so you will be outsourcing this. So you will be working as a service, and you will be providing it for $95, and they will give it to you for $5. So obviously it depends on what you're going to provide, right? So let's just have a look on what price you should set ideally to actually get buyers, right? So let's see what this guy provides, right? So this guy provides over here, you can see that he also provides additional that he can write a cover letter for you for $39, and also he is going to provide you with some materials for $7. So this is a good add-on, right? And as you can see, this is legit, 97% up rating. So it means that whatever the work this guy is doing, it's very likable, and people are reviewing him 5 stars, reviewing him or her, right? So yeah, so 5 stars, and so that is what it is. Customer satisfaction needs to be there, right? So you'll see what else you can provide. If you can't provide, then you can lower bit price to be competitive. Like if he's providing she is giving it for 95, you can ask for 70, and you can still get the resume done for $5, or even the higher packages if you want to get it done faster, right? So yeah, as you can see, you'll get 4 revisions. If you want unlimited revisions, or if your client is like that, then you can always go for premium and pay 25, right? So it depends on how you do, right? So there are other websites as well. This is the other website called legit.com, right? And here you will be searching for resume, right? So here what you see is that you'll also get this let's just search by top rated. Okay, so as you can see, starting at $5, right? $5, $25 resume, right? So all of these see over here, $5, right? So this website is relatively new, and you can get work done faster over here, right? So you just have a look at what they are doing, right, and what you'll get, right? So yeah, so you'll get done faster and better, right? Only the Fiverr is really very good, but if you want an alternative to Fiverr, in case you don't in case he is busy, or in case you are not finding lots of them, right? As you can see, he is not, so you can definitely go with Fiverr, but I just wanted to share an alternative where you can get these freelancers for relatively low price, right? So this is another website which is fairly new, and even over here you can post your gig if you want and promote it over here, because it will also be appearing in contrast with others. And yeah, right? So this is a relatively new website, so it depends on you what you're going to choose, but I would recommend to stay in people per hour, because it definitely has some of the organic reach over here, right? Now the thing is, how are you going to get the clients, right? So let's have a look at how you're going to get clients. So if you have a LinkedIn account, you are going to search for people who actually want the resumes, right? So which people are going to be needing a resume? So people that are looking for a job, right? Because if they are looking for a job, they want to update their resume, right? And yeah, so you are going to search for people, and look over here, this person is looking for a job, Now what you're going to do is connect with them, and yeah, you'll start a casual conversation with them, that how they are doing, how are how is their job search going on, like that, right? And they will respond to you. If they respond to you, only then you respond to them. That would be better. And then you can casually say that I have this service which will get your resume done professionally and will increase the odds of you getting a job or landing a job. And that's how it is, right? So first you check his interest, whether he's interested to talk in you, right? Or he or she, whatever it is. And once they are in positive, right, once they are positively interacting with you, you can definitely pitch what you're about to, how you can solve the problem. If they are mentioning a problem, then you can look a work around it and offer what your services, right? So this is a good way. And yeah, so LinkedIn is a really good place, right? Because most of the people that are looking for a job are active on LinkedIn, and it's very likely that you'll get it. And yeah, so don't be salesy at all, and this doesn't work if you are salesy and directly approaching them for this. Just have a casual conversation with them and just say what you have to say. It doesn't matter, there are like millions of people on LinkedIn, and it doesn't even matter. You just go on to another person who is actually looking for a resume, right? Now this is the LinkedIn part. So this is a free strategy, right? And that is how you're going to get clients, and then you'll redirect it to the website where you have posted it, right? And Facebook, you can use Facebook as well. It's, yeah, although I would recommend using LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is, the people who are looking for a job are really very active. And on Facebook, where you just have to post once, right? But the thing is, people might already have jobs or not that interactive on Facebook, right? Looking for job, looking for job, looking for job. So you're going to be searching groups, looking for jobs in Singapore, looking for whatever, right? So looking for jobs and now hiring, right? So these are the groups where you're going to post your gig, that you are going to provide a service, which where you will be writing them a resume and all that, right? So yeah, you can reach a lot of people, right, by just posting it once, right? But the thing is, if you want any interaction and really active users, then you should choose LinkedIn. Otherwise it's okay, you can try both are free, right? So yeah, you can do this as well, right? There are other websites as well, like freelancers, and I've searched for resume over here, and as you can see, $5, right, $10, right? So there are lots of websites, so you can have a note of it. Freelancer also legit, people per hour, Fiverr, right? And the strategies that you're going to use to promote it is LinkedIn and Facebook, right? So I hope this video was educational, and you learned something out of it, and on how to make money online, right? I hope this video was educational and you learned something on how actually businesses work online and how they are actually targeting the audience, right? So yeah, this is one of the strategies, right? You never know that this person over here, $95 one, isn't hiring this $10 person, right? You never know, maybe he's applying that strategy, that is why he's charging so much, right? So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, I hope you like this video. If you want more videos on how to make money online, then these are over here, right? And you can additionally check the first link in the description if you want to learn how to start your business from scratch, right, and earn money online, right? So yeah, if you like the video, then hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, right, if you want to hear more from me. And yeah, so I will see you until next time.